Your Mockingbird dashboard acts as your homepage within the platform. This page gives you a general overview of your state licenses and all other trackable items. First, you'll notice this box in the middle of your screen, which breaks down all of the tasks that you have due for each license due in the next 30, 60, and 90 days. You're able to click into each one of these boxes and see what that task is that you have due, for which state license, and the due date of that particular task. As you scroll down, you can see all of your trackable items. This starts with your state licenses, then moves on to things such as your CSR licenses, DEA licenses, and other trackable items such as ALS, BLS, and even your inactive licenses that you've chosen not to continue to renew. If you have any other questions, feel free to email us at contact@mockingbird.com. Thank you.